Breaking. Recording 10.10.
1. Is gossip good for the workplace?
Yes, it is. Yes, research shows that the rumor mill is a good place for parsing out information.
2. What is the other term for gossip according to researchers?
It's informal communication. According to researchers, gossip is informal communication.
3. How can gossip be beneficial in workplaces?
It can be beneficial in workplaces by helping in spreading information more quickly than formal channels of communications. Gossip can be beneficial in workplaces as it can help spread information more quickly than formal channels of communications like company emails or staff meetings.
4. Which is quicker in spreading information, email or gossip?
It's gossip. Gossip is quicker in spreading information than email.
5. Why is gossip considered an unhealthy mean of communication?
It's because it's frustrating and fraught with negative consequences. Gossip is considered an unhealthy mean of communication because it's frustrating and fraught with negative consequences.
6. What can gossip be a sign of in companies?
A sign of what companies care about. It can be a sign of what companies care about.
7. Is considering the source of a rumor important?
Yes, it is. Yes, considering the source of a rumor is important.
8. What's the first question people need to ask themselves when hearing a rumor?
It's, what is the motivation behind the information being given? The first question people need to ask themselves when hearing a rumor is, what is the motivation behind the information being given?
9. Can water cooler talks just be legendary stories?
Yes, they can. Yes, water cooler talks can just be legendary stories.
10. What can legendary stories offer?
Valuable insight for navigating your life. They can offer valuable insight for navigating your life.
11. May gossip be considered as authentic assessment in workplaces?
Yes, it may. Yes, gossip may be considered as authentic assessment in workplaces.
12. How do employees know about important managerial decisions before they're announced?
It's through the rumor mill and gossip.